Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your trusted source for honest, detailed automotive reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the best battery for Nissan Murano key fobs, showcasing the top 5 Amazon picks that deliver reliability, power, and value. If your Murano's remote is lagging or unresponsive, stay tuned because we've got the perfect solutions lined up for you. Number 5. Key Fob Battery Replacement CR2032. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, single battery option, the CR2032 replacement is a solid choice for Nissan Murano owners. Designed to fit a wide variety of Nissan models, it ensures reliable key fob operation for locking, unlocking, and starting your SUV without delays. Customers often appreciate the freshness and tested quality of this battery, with many reporting immediate improvement in remote response. While it doesn't come in a multi-pack, it's perfect for those who just need one replacement without paying for extras. The installation is quick and straightforward. Simply pop open the Murano's fob case, swap out the old battery, and insert this new one. It's an excellent choice for drivers who want a no-frills, dependable solution at a minimal cost. Number 4. 2-pack replacement set. This 2-pack replacement set is tailored for a wide selection of Nissan vehicles, including the Murano. What sets this product apart is its clear fitment guide, which helps buyers confirm compatibility before purchase, minimizing the risk of ordering the wrong battery. The CR2032 lithium cells are built for steady voltage output, ensuring reliable key fob performance for everyday use. Customers often highlight the strong remote signal and quick installation process, with many reporting that these batteries restored their key fobs to like new responsiveness. With 2 batteries included, you can replace both your primary and backup fob at once, or keep a spare in storage. Packaging is compact and user-friendly, although some users noted they would prefer more detailed instructions inside the box. Still, it's a convenient, affordable option for Murano drivers who value reliability and peace of mind. Number 3. CR2032 2-pack. This CR2032 2-pack is designed for a wide range of Nissan vehicles, including the Murano, and offers an excellent balance between affordability and reliability. Each battery provides a strong, steady 3V output that ensures your key fob operates smoothly, whether you're unlocking doors, activating panic mode, or using remote start. Many users note that these batteries last significantly longer than generic store-bought alternatives, making them a trusted option for long-term use. The fact that you get 2 batteries in one pack makes it ideal for households with multiple fobs or anyone who likes having a spare ready for emergencies. Installation is simple. Open the Murano's key fob, remove the old battery, and slide this one in. No tools are required beyond maybe a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the case. For Murano drivers looking for a practical, cost-effective replacement, this 2-pack is a smart pick. Number 2. CR2032 Replacement Battery. This dedicated CR2032 replacement battery is specifically marketed for the Nissan Murano models from 2009 through 2023. That level of precise compatibility makes it a safe choice for owners who want assurance that their purchase is designed for their exact vehicle. The 3V lithium coin battery is engineered to deliver consistent performance, ensuring your key fob functions seamlessly for locking, unlocking, and starting the Murano. Customers often praise its reliability right out of the box, reporting smooth remote operation without lag or reduced signal strength. What makes this option appealing is its single battery pack, which is perfect if you only need one replacement. It avoids extra cost while still delivering OEM-level performance. Installation takes just a couple of minutes and doesn't require any special tools, making it a quick DIY job. For Murano owners who want a straightforward, vehicle-specific solution, the CR2032 battery replacement ticks all the boxes. Number 1. Key Fob Battery Replacement. This pack of 2 key fob batteries is compatible with nearly all Nissan models, including the Murano. Each CR2032 3V battery delivers reliable performance and a strong signal range, so you won't face intermittent issues unlocking your vehicle. Many customers highlight its long-lasting durability, often outperforming generic store-bought batteries. One standout feature is the pre-tested reliability, ensuring you don't receive weak or dead batteries upon arrival. Installation is straightforward, just pop open the key fob and slide in the new battery. This product is especially handy for Murano owners who prefer having a backup ready at all times. Overall, it's a cost-effective solution with consistent performance, making it a favorite choice for Nissan drivers who value reliability and convenience. That wraps up our breakdown of the top 5 best batteries for Nissan Murano key fobs. Each option offers dependable performance, easy installation, and great value, so you'll never have to worry about being locked out again. Which battery do you trust for your Murano? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Automotive Widgets, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.